Alrighty guys, we are back. Just got off from working at the plant and it's time to work in the shop. Get a few hours in tonight of welding on this rear end here. It's been waiting on us. I'll get some more welding done on this thing and get this thing pretty much ready to hopefully be shipping this deal out here for long. But hope you guys been enjoying these daily vlogs. I'm gonna be posting some of these on Facebook and see if we can get some more views and stuff here on that. But definitely be sure and tune in on YouTube. That's where all the videos go up first, and then normally a couple of weeks later, a couple months later, I might post stuff up on Facebook, just depending on how things are going. It all depends on time. It takes time to do all this stuff. Social media is kind of a beast sometimes when it comes to getting stuff posted. Sometimes it takes, you know, anywhere from 3 to 4, sometimes 24 hours just to get a video to upload on certain platforms, especially to YouTube. It can be a beast sometimes. But anyways, that's what the plan is for today. Keep working on this housing and see what all we can get done. So let's rock and roll, guys. Alrighty guys, man, I tell you, it's time to start laying some dimes down here. I did have to pause before I started taking this footage here. You have to take the jig bar out first before you get everything set back up. Just a little step we have to do. And I tell you, man, it took a little bit of time there, about an hour, just so I could start laying down some welds. But finally started to get to welding here. And I tell you, man, after a long day at the plant, getting to come home, getting to lay some dimes down here, man, it's very relaxing. It kind of helps my day round out here with a positive note, and get to turn on some good music and get to rock and roll and get to lay some dimes and make some money for old GTO here. But I appreciate you guys watching. Alrighty guys, finishing up for tonight. Another late night working on this housing here. And believe it or not, it took me a minute to just do what we done today. Just in this video, believe it or not, between the root pass and the second pass on those housing ends and actually getting the jig bar back in it and stuff there, took literally like 2.5 hours worth of work there. Just oh man, it took way longer than what I wanted it to. What ended up happening was there's 2 bushings out here on the end of the housings, all right, out there on that end, and out here on this end, on the end of the axle tube, okay? And they got stuck. And after an hour of just working on that to get that out, then it was time to start welding and getting all that stuff lined up as well. So that was very, very time consuming, and sometimes it just goes together very smoothly, and sometimes had a situation like that where it just took forever getting the bushings out. What ended up happening was had a little bit of heat in it out here on the ends, and it ended up just locking those bushings in there on me. So that took a minute to get all that taken care of. It's fine that happened. It does happen sometimes. It don't always happen, but when it does, it's a little bit aggravating. But we got the housing ends on it now, and it's all straight and true. I'm happy with all that. The welds turned out very, very nice. Very, very pleased with that. I was really hoping tonight to get the drain plug in it and also get the wishbone mounts put on top of the housing and stuff tonight, but just ran out of time. That took a lot of effort right there to get done, but it's just kind of part of it. But you guys don't forget to get yourself a Freedom shirt. I appreciate everyone watching the videos and stuff. I think these vlogs are kind of turning out pretty cool. I will continue to do episodes of you know, like a start to finish of things, you know, that sort of thing, like when we're working on GTO, or if I got like certain projects I'm working on, I'll still do that like what I've always have done in the past. But these vlogs seem to be getting some more subscribers to come in, so I'm going to continue to do these because it just keeps putting content out there. If you guys don't like this, definitely comment down below, tell me, you know, your thoughts and stuff. I really appreciate y'all's feedback. It helps me bring content to you all, because we want to keep the channel going. You know, we want to keep growing. Right now we're almost at 1,600 subscribers. I'd definitely like to get to 2,000 subscribers this year, or more if we can, but definitely the goal is for 2,000. If we can make 2,000, that would be amazing. So, and it takes you guys to do that. So sharing videos, making sure you're subscribed, looking at the analytics, like right now, I think we're still at like 50 and 60% of people who's actually subscribed to the channel, who's actually watching our videos. Meaning there's the other 50% of people who's watching our videos aren't even subscribed to the channel. So make sure when you get on YouTube, make sure you look down below the video and where it says subscribe, make sure that you are subscribed, okay? So I'm gonna put a picture up so you guys know what to do there, and make sure you're getting my notifications as well. So that little bell over there to the side, make sure you've clicked on that, and make sure you're getting my notifications every time I put a video up. But that's gonna wrap us up for the day. Go to our website, KilmerSports.com, check us out there. We've got all kinds of parts. We sell these rear ends there, we sell aerospace components there, we sell brakes, we sell all kinds of good hot rod race car parts. But that's it for me tonight. It's time to get some rest, and we got to get up early tomorrow and go to the plant and do some work there at job number 1, and when we get off we'll hit job number 2. But that's it for me. You guys have a good one.